I'm not sure how well you can hear the bike. Bye bye. So we're taking the bike out for the first time. I hope the angle is good. At the first signal. We already have people watching us. First reactions. You know? 15 on road. 17 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ 17. There's people asking about the bike. I'm not sure how much you guys can hear, but my god, the power is just very good. So until the break-in period, I'm going to be restricting myself from crossing the 5000 rpm range, and after that we'll start unleashing the full potential of the bike. Okay, another signal. Oh my god, it sounds amazing. It's really one of the best bikes in the segment. So here we are, the very first ride, taking the 6R home. It's been pretty long wait. I will be sharing my journey with it. As of now, which is the feeling of the bike being new and taking it home is just a completely different feeling. I am nervous as well as excited at the same time, and yeah, sort of also blank at the moment, so don't mind what I say or not say. Oh man, so from what I know, I can feel the rear brake pads being pretty soft, so I'm more dependent on the front brakes, so it will take some time for the brakes to also adjust. So I'm not going to rev the heart out of it. I'm going to be pretty smooth and gentle. So I'm currently in the road mode, the best for the city. I can see the temperature going almost up to 101 now in the traffic. It's pretty smooth, I must say. So this is the Karnataka's first ZX6R 2024, and KRT being the first one being taken out of the showroom. It's a very well balanced bike, I must say. I'm not talking much, but please don't mind me. This is the first vlog and I'm pretty stoked about it, but also very nervous. So I heard from the showroom guys that the bike might heat up quite a bit. It's new, so has to get adjusted, and the engine oil is completely new, but yes, I can feel the heat coming off of the engine, and I'm pretty sure the radiator is also on, because it turns on at approximately 98 degrees. Not sure how audible the bike is. I really hope it is audible. A lot of signals on the way home. I really hope you guys are able to feel how it is to ride this motorcycle. I mean, of course, it is not going to be the same as riding it, but I really hope I can give you guys an experience of the sound, the riding. We're 5 kilometers down already. And we get going. The first time I'm seeing myself ride the bike in the auto screen. I'm really not sure how loud the bike is through the mic, how much you guys can hear. So now I'll be fueling first. They have fueled about 5 liters from the showroom side and 5 while they were doing the PDI. The PDI video will also be coming in soon, so do watch out, subscribe, like the video and share it with your friends and family or other bike enthusiasts, automotive enthusiasts. Just going really gentle and slow. I don't wanna, like I said earlier, I don't wanna rev the heart out of it. There must be a fuel pump somewhere around here. There's the quick shifter, and I'll soon be testing out how well that works.
Say 1000 के 20 300 Newton.
Auto cut off आयता? हाँ, साक okay, almost. Okay, that was the first fueling. Almost 8 liters of Shell V Power 1068. Okay, just gotten it fueled. I personally got it to auto cut off. Didn't wait for the full tank. Somehow in between, the GoPro was pretty heated and it turned off. So this was the first fueling of the ZX6R 2024, the first bike in Karnataka. I'll just give you a walk around. There's the cat, it wants the heat. Oh, very nice. So just a walk around. I will also have a detailed video coming in soon. Oh, the cute kitty wants to have the heat from the bike. Hey, okay, runs away. Got scared a bit, I guess, but did bless our bike. Now I'm headed to the temple. We've just arrived at the temple. Quite a few cars today.
2 hours later.
Okay, I've just finished getting the blessings of the Almighty at the temple. Now we are headed to the sweet shop just for my friends and family. And that is how it looks from the front. And the rear again. What a beautiful bike, right? It's a bit downhill. Let's go slow and steady. Oh, a lot of vehicles today. It's Friday, the 2nd of February, so good day to take the delivery. I have the hazard lights on. It's a new bike, so why not? हाँ ड्यूटी पर the kid there, very cute. He just knew that I had to rev it a bit for him. I'm not gonna talk much. I'll just let you guys enjoy the sound. I mean, if it is audible. I'm not sure, I haven't checked the clips yet. I will go home and then check the clipping. A lot of traffic today. It's the weekend and weekend calls for people outside shopping, spending time with their family and friends. So I haven't put the wind protector underneath the helmet currently, but I will see how the audio is from the mic, if there's a lot of wind blast, or if the audio is not good, then I'll switch it up. Until the break-in is done, I won't be able to, I don't want to cross the 5000 RPM mark. It'll be good on the engine. The engine has to get used to the new engine oil and just fresh parts right out of the factory. I've been riding for about an hour now and the posture is very aggressive for sure, but the bike is very smooth to handle. You can easily glide through. You don't feel the weight. You gotta just tuck in and hug the tank. I will be getting a lot of accessories soon. My guy at the dealership has already placed the order. Since this is the first bike, the parts weren't readily available. He has placed the order and it should be down around mid-Feb. So we will be getting a lot of accessories on. As of now, I don't have any accessory on, so all of them will come down together. It might as well be the same day when we get the number plate. I also have decided a name with my family actually for the bike, and do comment and let me know what names you would have chosen for your bikes and what you would recommend, what you'd suggest for this lovely 6R 2024, especially that it is the KRT. Just got home. This is how the bike looks at night. Pretty good, right? Very flashy. It heats up while you're trying to cruise through the traffic. As you're riding it, it cools down pretty quick. Stopped it in the gear just so that it doesn't move. But yes, that's all for today, guys. I hope I could show my helmet. I don't think it's visible in the mirror, but yes, anyway, see you guys in the next video.